Welcome to today's tutorial. We're going to crochet a cute and simple daisy keychain, perfect for gifting, decorating your bag, or adding a little joy to your everyday keys. Grab your 3mm yarn, a 2.5mm hook, and let's get started. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future crochet creations. For round 1, start with a magic ring. Into the ring, crochet 6 single crochets, then join with a slip stitch. Great start, keep your tension even and relaxed for a smooth round. Next to round 2, chain 1, then make 6 increases. That's 2 single crochets in each stitch. You'll have 12 stitches in total. Slip stitch to close the round. Nice work. Tip: place a stitch marker if you're new to round counting. Now round 3. Chain 1, then simply crochet 12 single crochets, 1 in each stitch. Finish with a slip stitch. Beautiful. This forms the base for our daisy petals. You're doing amazing so far. Moving to round 4, the petals. Start with 1 single crochet, then repeat this 12 times. Chain 3, double crochet, chain 3, slip stitch into the next stitch. You'll form each petal this way. So cute, right? Take your time to shape each petal evenly. Now for the leaf. Chain 14. Turn your work and skip the first chain. Make 12 single crochets across. In the next stitch, make a wide stitch, 3 single crochets into 1 stitch to turn. Then work 12 single crochets down the other side. Slip stitch to close. Well done. This leaf gives a fresh touch to the keychain. Let's shape the leaf now. Repeat this 4 times, decrease, chain 2, slip stitch. Then single crochet, chain 1, slip stitch, single crochet again. And repeat slip stitch, chain 2, decrease 4 times. Finish with a final slip stitch. Your leaf should now have a gentle curve. Beautiful work. Tip: adjust your tension for a clean edge. To make the hanging strap, simply chain 90. You can adjust the length as you like. Once done, fasten off and weave in the ends. Great job. Now attach your flower and leaf to the strap and secure everything to a key ring. And that's it. Your adorable daisy keychain is complete, simple, sweet, and handmade by you. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and tap the bell for more fun crochet projects. Thank you for watching and keep crafting with love, love.